Welcome to Tech Shop Reveal, a product showcase bringing you the latest tools and equipment. The AIRCAT 6325 half-inch by 18-inch composite belt sander by Florida Pneumatic features a powerful 0.6 horsepower motor and low-weight design. The easily accessible air regulator and variable speed trigger allow the users to match the tool speed to any job. The sanding arm can be rotated 360 degrees and locked into any position with the quick-release locking lever. Sanding belts can also be changed easily with the self-locking sanding arm. For more information, visit AIRCAT.com.